is African. I might go and bat them. I already had that. Went and got a battle. Third rock the light. Not for a hole like a Latin. I can serve you. Hey, I'm so done. Hey, turn around, baby girl. Let me serve you. Oh, yeah, say that's your wet like Squirtle. Walk around, pigeon toe, got the bird flu. And you think you in love, don't hurt you. Man, I think that I'm done, gotta swerve you. Sauce it down, sauce it out, do too much. Ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from, where you from? Throw it out, going nuts, going down. Sauce it down, sauce it out, do too much. Ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from, where you from? Throw it out, going nuts. Is African. I might go and bat them. I already had that. Went and got a battle. Third rock the light. Not for a hole like a Latin. I can serve you. Hey, I'm so done. Hey, turn around, baby girl. Let me serve you. Oh, yeah, say that's your wet like Squirtle. Walk around, pigeon toe, got the bird flu. And you think you in love, don't hurt you. Man, I think that I'm done, gotta swerve you. Sauce it down, sauce it out, do too much. Ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from, where you from? Throw it out, going nuts, going down. Sauce it down, sauce it out, do too much. Ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from, where you from? Throw it out, going nuts. Is African. I might go and bat them. I already had that. Went and got a battle. Third rock the light. Not for a hole like a Latin. I can serve you. Hey, I'm so done. Hey, turn around, baby girl. Let me serve you. Oh, yeah, say that's your wet like Squirtle. Walk around, pigeon toe, got the bird flu. And you think you in love, don't hurt you. Man, I think that I'm done, gotta swerve you. Sauce it down, sauce it out, do too much. Ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from, where you from? Throw it out, going nuts.
Make some noise for Gordon, guys. Put your hands together one more time. Come on. Good correction. Come on, people. Do you guys ever wake up in the middle of the night with the real tough thoughts and deep sweats? Yeah? Very cool. I imagine so looking at your face. But for me in particular, it's always things like Black Eyed Peas. Those are just regular peas with smart mouths, you know. Or plum. That's peach that forgot to shave, like that. Or a pear. That's an apple that got into a relationship and let itself go, which also happens to be a pun. So I like to double up on my dad jokes. But guys, we're going to keep this show on the road tonight. The next comic, please make some noise for Travis Addison. Make some noise, guys.
All right, how's everybody doing today? I've always had dreams and aspirations of becoming a professional golfer. I love golf. Golf is one of my favorite sports. Now, don't be deceived looking at me up on this stage. Us short, fat, dark-skinned brothers can play golf, too. Oh, man. My nickname is called Panther Woods. I love playing golf. As a matter of fact, you guys probably don't remember this. I'm the opposite of Tiger Woods. Me and Tiger Woods, we had a commercial back in the day. It was called Panther Woods versus Tiger Woods. Day versus midnight. By the way, I was the one that they called Midnight. This is way back. You guys don't remember this. Way back when Tiger Woods was a white tiger. Way back when Tiger Woods was sober. Way back when Tiger Woods was a hero. And all of a sudden, somewhere along the lines, Tiger Woods went from a hero to a zero, back to a Negro. Yeah. It is official that Tiger Woods and O.J. Simpson is roommates. Well, I sure hope Tiger Woods don't sue me if I do get rich. But don't worry, Tiger, if you sue me, you won't get a damn penny. I know somebody getting me quicker than you will. By the time you sue me, Tiger, I'll be back to mopping floors and cleaning hard doo-doo out of toilet stools. Yeah. Me and my girlfriend, we were laying in the bed one morning. It was 7 o'clock in the morning. We was all cuddled up. We were laying in like 2 soup spoons. And I said to her, I said, hey, baby, I'm going to play some golf this morning. She says to me, oh, baby, why you got to play golf this morning? I said, baby, look here. You got 2 choices, golf course or intercourse. She said, Negro, you better get a hat because it's cold outside. I had a very strange encounter the other day. This is a true story. I need everybody to listen to my story. I was coming out of a comedy club. I was headed to my car. I'm in the parking lot. I look behind me. I notice that there's this crazy, screaming, yelling, one-legged man trying to catch me down. I'm like, wait a minute. So for a split second, I'm thinking, what the hell is going on? Is some kind of freak? So I'm thinking, okay, what interest does a one-legged man have in chasing down a 2-legged man? So hell, I started running too. So now, he runs over to me, he's like, hey, Mr. Comedian, I noticed that you always refer to your girlfriend in your comedy stand-up. I said, OMG, WTF, dude. Those are all the same girls, dude. He said, what, you think you some kind of player? I said, no. For the past 12 months, I've had 12 different girlfriends, and I've been dumped 12 different times. I really love some of these slogans, some of these mission statements that some of these companies use to sell themselves. Like, for example, Wells Fargo, together we'll go far. Or we got UPS, what can Brown do for you? Then you have these payday loans, right? Their slogan is, the quickest way to payday. I'm like, yeah, more like the quickest way to be put on life support. But anyway, that's it for me. I'm an amateur. I'm just trying out. Woo! Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir. Guys, please put your hands together one more time for him. Please give him a warm welcome.